Hi guys, welcome to Even Better Meals. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a Even Better Meals. Today I'm going to be making ground turkey breast with a special seasoning, and it's going to have these ingredients, which is going to be onions, bell pepper, tomato, potato, garlic, black pepper, cumin, and a special seasoning called chupacabras. It's going to be delicious. Once our vegetables are rinsed, we're ready to cut them. Una vez que nuestros vegetales están lavados, ya están listos para cortar. Before adding the seasonings, you want to steam the ground turkey breast so it can come out softer. Antes de agregar los condimentos, debes vaporizar la pechuga de pavo molida para que salga más suave. After steaming the turkey, I'm going to add, después de cocinar el pavo al vapor, voy a agregar 1 tablespoon of black pepper, una cucharada de pimienta. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin. Voy a agregar una cucharada de comino en polvo. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Estoy agregando una cucharada de ajo. We're going to mix. Vamos a mixear. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Vamos a agregar 2 cucharadas de aceite. And now we're going to mix our turkey. Vamos a mezclar nuestro pavo. We're going to add our chupacabra seasoning, and this is as much as you like. Ahora vamos a agregar el chupacabra especias, y es a lo que usted quiera. Then we add our tomato and onion. Ahora agregamos el tomate y la cebolla, and we mix. Revolvemos. So now we're going to be adding our bell pepper. Vamos a poner nuestro chile dulce, and we're going to give it a mix. Vamos a mixear. Then we add our potatoes. Ahora agregamos nuestra papa, and we mix together. Vamos a mixear todo junto. And we're going to put in water, about 2 cups of water, until potato is done. Vamos a agregar 2 tazas de agua hasta que nuestra papa esté lista. I'm checking up on our turkey and our potatoes are soft. Estoy checando nuestro pavo y las papas están suaves. This is my final plate. Este es el plato como quedó. I hope you guys like this recipe. See you guys in another video. Espero que les haya gustado en esta receta. Los espero en otro video.